Assalamualaikum. Junaid brothers. His number of incompetent episodes continue to grow and grow. Junaid confesses to murder about his murder to Sonia. How we don't know the details of Zabir and Sonia's conversation, but Junaid is angry that Sonia is not doing what he wants. Maybe it's probably because he cannot take the lead when it comes to stock transaction was solved. Then Junaid suddenly says, "I killed the farm my uncle didn't I? If you don't want the same thing to happen to you, do as I say." It's clearly recorded from her. Then try to take her phone away. But if Sonia had been the set about a live stream, his life would have been ruined. He's so very stupid that the lack of security awareness for 2025, they've been so careless. But Junaid looks like something like a big cute or too stupid, and it's interesting for me.